topic is really, really important, and that is how do we increase the mobility of the Kua in our like groin, hip, pelvis area, as well as the Yao, which is in that waist and torso area. These areas, particularly the Kua and the Yao, in order to get these to be open in our adult life, we have to just be constantly trying to keep it open. But then we also have the pelvis and the hips. You also have like the back end, like where the back connects to the front, which kind of connects to your glutes, as well as these lower abdominal muscles that many people um, have a lot of weakness. If you squeeze and make your muscles like what you think would be making your muscles strong, what you're doing is you're constricting and shortening everything. What we want to do is actually expand everything. When you do things that require you to like move all around, it's like everything moves all around. Then you have mobility. In our 12 dynamics courses, like we really bring Yao mobility in here where we're making circles all around. Stability, most important thing is stability. For bow stance, the idea is you are most stable when your 2 feet are shoulder width apart. When we don't feel support, we can't relax. Right? And that's just in general. If you have to like squeeze to hold on, you can't relax. If you're able to sit like this also engages your head up, works the lower abdominals, and works the quad. This is a challenge for a lot of people to sit in this way. All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye now.
Thank you very much.